Good morning everybody. I've got this lovely house in Capital Park that I would love to show you. So please join me as I walk through the house. Right, at the bottom we have a garage. The one on the left is a normal single garage with a wall in between and another garage. They are not interlinked. This garage is interlinked with this storeroom, and if you go in you can just store your necessary garden furniture. There's a nice terrace with some grass. It's a bit dry now because it's winter. Up there you have the house. Over here you have the garages. At the bottom you have a separate room and a small storage room at the bottom here, and stairs that goes up to the house. Dry area that goes up to the view. Flat, small kitchen, goes into bathrooms over here, and a bathroom toilet, and a hand shower over here. Going out of the flat, we have another room which you can convert into another flat, or you can make it an entertainment area. Upstairs, over here we have the braai area. I think the biggest selling point of this house, beautiful view. Look at that. There's another outside room which you can use for somebody to stay. There's no cupboard in here. It does have a point for water and drainage, and over here have a toilet shower. Down here we have a laundry. Point's own meter box, own power box. Side of the house, tank of water. This tank is filled by the gutters of the house, and then you can use it to gravity feed down to the garden and irrigate the garden. Moving into the house, back at the braai area, this is the dining room area. Nice and big, wooden floors, nice doors. ceilings. This is the kitchen. Main bedroom. This house have 2 bathrooms, but none of them are en suite. Again, that beautiful view. Small patio. That goes out of 2 rooms. There's another one. This one's got cupboards. You can see over here another room with cupboards. And bathroom with a cupboard, which I think you can change into a shower. Passage, nice wide passage, and then the second bathroom is the front door, and it's got a shower, toilet, and there's some stairs leading down to the bottom part. Thank you for your time viewing my property. If you would like to view it in person, please give me a call. My number is in the description at the bottom. Thank you. Bye bye.